Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone microphone not working on ISO. So guys, easily solution. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down. Now tap on privacy. Now tap on microphone and turn on all permission and go back. Next method. Now tap on screen time and scroll down. Now tap on contact privacy restriction and turn on contact privacy restriction and enter passcode and scroll down. Now tap on microphone and select allow change and go back. So guys, make sure that your iPhone software update. If not update, so guys, first of all update your iPhone's iOS software. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.